Hey there, it's Elliot. Have you ever stumbled upon that frustrating iPhone lock to owner message or found yourself locked out of an iPad or Apple Watch because of iCloud activation lock? It's a real headache, I know. Before you rush into those sketchy services or pay for expensive software that promises to unlock your device, let me stop you right there. In this video, I'm going to show you several legal, safe, and free methods to bypass iCloud activation lock. Methods that actually work and won't jeopardize your device. Stick around and let's dive into some effective solutions to get your Apple devices back in action. Trust me, this is way better than wasting money on those unreliable alternatives. Just a heads up, this info is for people who own their device but forgot their login details. We don't support using it on stolen devices or any illegal activity. Please respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's rules. With that said, let's get started. All right, let's dive right into the services that claim to bypass iCloud activation lock. It's crucial to be cautious with these services. Not all of them are trustworthy or effective, and many can be a waste of your money. So, to help you out, I've found some reliable ones. Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, Lock Toner, and iUnlock app. These are the top options to remove the iPhone lock to owner message. They're legit and they work for iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. But remember, this info is for educational purposes only. It's only meant for devices you own and have forgotten the access info for. Back when I first encountered this issue, I was skeptical about using online services. I tried a few that didn't work and cost me a lot. It was only after researching a lot that I found these reliable services. Next up, I'm going to show you how to use Unlock Here's AI Unlocking Assistant. First, open your browser on your phone or computer and go to unlockhere.com. This is an AI assistant-powered web app that helps you unlock any mobile phone restriction you might have. When you're on the site, let Nifty, the AI bot, know that you need an iCloud unlock by clicking on Remove Activation Lock. Select that you have an iPhone, but you can also choose iPad or Apple Watch if that's what you're unlocking. Next, you'll need to enter the IMEI or serial number. Here's the difference. iPhones always have an IMEI. Some iPads and Apple Watches have IMEIs if they have a SIM card slot or cellular capability. However, most come with just a serial number. To find this, press the sleep button on your locked device. Press it again and tap on the I on the bottom right to display your device info. Don't forget to input the device information in the next step. You'll need to enter basic info to attach the order to your account. Make sure to use real info so you can receive your order confirmation. You will get a confirmation code sent to your email, which you'll need to confirm. Check that you agree to the terms and confirm you're not unlocking a stolen device. Tap Start Process and solve the quick CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a robot. You will then receive an email with a confirmation code. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Take the confirmation code, click the provided button to land on a page where you have to enter it, and confirm once again that you're not a robot. Once entered, your unlock process will start and your device will be unlocked. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone lock to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone, and as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it'll be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked, so it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And there it is. In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to set it all up later. Make sure to check the terms and conditions and skip the rest of the steps and just do it all later on. And there you have it. It says, "Welcome to iPhone." Now go to Settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap Forget Password, or don't have Apple ID to create a new one. And here you can just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. And yeah, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. All right, guys, here are some more alternative ways to remove the iCloud activation lock legally. This part is crucial if you've forgotten your iCloud login details but still own the device. First up, you can contact Apple support. If you have proof of purchase, they can help you unlock your device. I've seen this work for many people who bought their devices legitimately. However, this might take some time, so be patient. Another option is using the Unlock Here AI-powered unlocking web app. This tool is great because it's safe and uses AI to guide you through the process. It's especially handy if you're not tech-savvy. You can also try Safe Unlocks. This service is reliable and has been around for a while, helping people unlock their iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches without any issues. Lock to Owner is another service that's known for its effectiveness. It's designed to remove the iPhone Lock to Owner message legally and safely. Lastly, there's iUnlock app, which offers a straightforward way to unlock your device. Many users have reported success with this app, and it's easy to use. Keep in mind that these unlocking services only work in first world countries. If you can't access the services or don't want to use them, we offer 250 free unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, just like this video, subscribe and comment your device model, IMEI, and country. Once you've completed these steps, you're automatically entered. That's all for today. See you in the next video.